If you've ever wanted to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level, this video is exactly what you need. I'm going to show you how to use Outgrow for affiliate marketing and explain how it can boost your conversions and lead generation, all while making things easier for you. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll know how to leverage Outgrow to create interactive content that works for you. Outgrow is a powerful platform that allows you to build quizzes, surveys, calculators, and assessments, all of which can be used to engage your audience in a way that's personalized and interactive. But here's the thing, this isn't just about creating cool tools, it's about using these tools to increase your affiliate marketing revenue. Let me explain how. Affiliate marketing relies on driving the right traffic and converting that traffic into leads or sales. Outgrow helps with both of these aspects, starting with lead generation. With quizzes and surveys, you can offer personalized recommendations based on your audience's input. This means you're able to serve more targeted content, increasing the likelihood that your audience will engage and convert. For example, if you're promoting a specific product or service, you can create a quiz where the results suggest the best product for them. Not only does this make your affiliate link more valuable, but it also boosts engagement and builds trust with your audience. And the great thing is, you can integrate your affiliate links directly into the results of these quizzes or surveys, making it easy for people to take action. Outgrow also allows you to automate follow-ups through email and other marketing channels. This means you're not just relying on one interaction, you're nurturing your audience over time. You can create a series of interactions that gradually push people closer to making a purchase through your affiliate links. This is all about creating an ongoing conversation and guiding your audience through the decision-making process, while integrating your affiliate products naturally into that journey. The best part? Outgrow is incredibly easy to use. You don't need to be a tech expert or a seasoned marketer to get started. The drag-and-drop interface allows you to build these interactive experiences without needing coding skills. You can customize everything from the questions and answers to the design, ensuring it fits perfectly with your brand and the product you're promoting. But there's one secret I want to share with you. It's not just about building quizzes, it's about collecting data. Outgrow gives you insights into how your audience is interacting with your content. By understanding what's working and what's not, you can optimize your affiliate marketing campaigns for even better results. Now, I'm sure you're wondering how to get started. You can actually use Outgrow completely free through the link in the description below. We've partnered with Outgrow to offer you an exclusive extended free trial, so you can try out all the features before making any commitments. Trust me, this is a game changer for affiliate marketers. So to wrap it up, if you want to use Outgrow for affiliate marketing, start by creating engaging and personalized content that drives your audience toward your affiliate offers. With Outgrow's interactive tools, you can not only increase engagement, but also automate and nurture your leads to ensure they take action. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of Outgrow from the link below. It's your chance to level up your affiliate marketing strategy without any risk.